Hello everyone, this is your Paris 36V assembly video. To start, use scissors or a knife to cut the straps on the box. Then open the box and pull the basket and frame out from it. Remove the bubble wrap and cut the zip tie that protects the frame with styrofoam. Next, adjust the seat so that it is facing forward. Using the lever on the right of the seat post, rotate it clockwise until the seat is secure. On the bottom of the handlebar, you'll find a plastic cover. Remove it. Now put the handlebars into the frame with the Daymak logo facing forward. Using an Allen key, tighten the handlebars with the bolt from the top until the handlebars are tight. Take this gray cap and plug the hole once you're done. Your pedals will have an R or an L on them, representing right and left respectively. Screw the pedals onto the respective pedal arms and then tighten them using a wrench. Take the basket and align it to the metal bracket from the frame to the two holes on the basket. Using the screws that come from your welcome package, use a washer, screw, and nut in that order to tighten the back of the basket to the bracket. Take the front headlight and hold it so that the hole closest to the headlight lines up with the front of the hole at the bottom of the basket. Once again, use a washer, screw, and nut in that order to secure the headlight to the bottom of the basket. Now make sure that the groove on the headlight bracket goes under the bar that is connected to the front tire. Line up the rear headlight bracket hole to the basket hole and screw in another screw as done previously. Take the basket top and use the two rear clips and press it firmly to connect it to the back of the basket. Grab the tab and stretch it to the front of the basket and clamp it closed. Now take two screws from your welcome package and put it through the holes on your bottle holder. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the bottle holder to the frame with the lip of the bottle holder at the bottom. Now slide your water bottle into the holder. To install the Daymak Bluetooth hands-free device, first unscrew the top of the mounting bracket. Remove the screw and stretch the mounting bracket over the handlebars. Position the mount so that the mount is perpendicular to the handlebars. Put the screw back through it and then tighten it with the top cover. Now put the Daymak Bluetooth hands-free device in the mount with the flashlight facing forward. Finally, unscrew the caps on the front and rear tires and using a bicycle pump, fill the air until they're at 60 psi. Now your Paris 36V is fully built and ready to ride.